In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sync Dropbox files to an external hard drive. When you use Dropbox, your files live in the cloud and by default in a special Dropbox folder on your computer. But sometimes you want an extra copy on an external drive for backup, for freeing up internal space, or for taking your files with you without logging into Dropbox. In this walkthrough, I'll guide you through a clear, reliable way to do that. First, make sure your external hard drive is plugged into your computer and recognized by your operating system. On Windows, you should see it in File Explorer as a separate drive. On a Mac, it will appear in Finder, usually in the sidebar. It's a good idea to give your drive a simple, memorable name, so it's easy to spot later. Next, locate your Dropbox folder on your computer. If you're on Windows, you'll typically find it in your user folder, often listed in the sidebar as Dropbox. On a Mac, it's usually in your home folder as well. If you're unsure, you can also click the Dropbox icon in your system tray or menu bar and choose the option that opens the Dropbox folder. Once you've opened your Dropbox folder, decide what exactly you want to sync. You might want your entire Dropbox, or maybe just specific folders like documents, photos, or work. The more you copy, the more space you'll need on your external drive, so it's worth checking how much free space your drive has before you start. Now, open a second window, this time showing your external hard drive. You can resize your windows so you can see your Dropbox on one side and the external drive on the other. This makes it much easier to drag and drop files between them. To create a backup, drag the folders or files you want from the Dropbox window into the external drive window. This will start copying, not moving, the content, so your original files remain safely in Dropbox. Depending on how much data you have, this might take a while. Avoid disconnecting the drive or shutting down your computer while the copy is in progress. When it's done, spot check a few files on the external drive to make sure they open correctly. If you plan to keep this backup updated over time, consider always copying into the same folder on the external drive and replacing older versions when prompted. Finally, when you're finished, safely eject your external hard drive before unplugging it. This helps prevent file corruption and keeps your backup reliable.